Today we're gonna bring a VEVOR paint booth, all right? This is a portable paint booth. It comes with its own bag. We're gonna open it up and see how it looks. Now, we work in a workshop, in a wood shop that we need to paint stuff on the go, or we take the materials that we need and we paint them at the projects. This is perfect not to spray around anywhere and have it direct into the actual project that we're doing. So we're gonna put it together. We're gonna show you how it works. Here's the actual spray booth. You got a plastic cover in the bottom. You got plenty of room on the top and the bottom. And I'm gonna have somebody stand right next to it. Can you stand so see the size of it? Of course, we're off the ground here, but look at the size of it. You could fit a little cabin or a little door or something smaller in here. I'm gonna show you a little example of what you can fit in here. So here's our spray area. And we constantly spray on this podium.
So this we use it at a job site if I'm doing a door. I don't have to cover for the dust. And this is so the overspray doesn't get on the thing, so you don't have to be worried taking it back to the shop. It's a really nice portable setup that we wanted to get for a while. If I gotta fix a door, I don't need to bring it to the shop. I just take it to the job site, fold it, put it in the little housing inside, spray it, and I don't have to worry about covering everything.
Se pasó down. There you go.
So it also includes the stakes, just in case you're doing it on ground that there's dirt. You could, put them at the stakes on the floor.